unity and commitment, a celebration of marriage. From now on, their lives will be shared together. They'll have chance to continue to grow, and their commitment to each other will be made stronger through the lessons of life. Parang excited yung ating crew na po. Ang saya-saya niya. Kung masaya si Nicole, doble ang saya ng ating crew. So muli po, isang magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Good afternoon everyone, and annyeonghaseyo to Mr.